Hi guys, welcome back to Honest Straightforward Reviews. Today I'm super excited. I finally bought a camera for my channel and I just wanted to share the unboxing with you guys. I had the option of going just the normal 1260mm camera lens for my camera, but I went with the Leica one. So this is the unboxing of the Leica LUMIX lens in the 1260mm. So these are the details here. So F2.8-4, and looking at the box, it's nothing too special. All right, Apple hasn't taken over this industry yet, so it's nothing too special with the box, but this is a really nice lens from what I've been researching compared to the normal lens that you can get for the Panasonic. Now these lenses should fit the Olympus as well, as they're interchangeable. Alright, let's put this aside. Now while I'm unboxing this, I'd like to let you guys know that this channel is completely surviving on your subscriptions. So if you appreciate what I'm doing here, all you have to do is drop a like and subscribe, and it helps out a lot. Okay, so you get a bit of a housing in there for the camera, where the camera sits, and that's basically it. And this is the lens over here. But before I get to the lens, let's look at some of the paperwork. So some of the paperwork that you get is for the Leica lens. It's got some of the warranty stuff over here, and we have the instructions. That's the guarantee, pan-European, and this is some of the instructions / operations in another language. Okay, so just a few languages there for you: English and I believe Italian. Let's look at what we get inside the box. So you get the lens hood, okay, which can be useful, especially when you're working in different environments. Other than that, you get a little bag for the lens as well, which is great to see. So it's a bit of a pouch, and it looks quite water resist as well, which is nice to see. And that's where the lens will be sitting inside over here. That's really nice. Don't mind it at all. Some of the freebies that you get with this thing. So this is my very first camera that I've owned. I've bought cameras before for my sister and other family members, but I've never owned one myself. So this is quite a privilege. I've had to give up quite a few things to be able to afford this. So I hope you guys appreciate it. So don't go too harsh on me if I get something wrong, okay? So I'm not a cameraman. Anyway, that is a beautiful Leica lens. Now don't get it, if you're new like me, don't get this confused with the normal Leica cameras, okay? They're different. These are Leica lenses and they're LUMIX, okay? So they're owned by, and how you tell is, by the way, is by the coloring of the font. So if the 1260 or whatever is in this sort of orange kind of color, and this sort of, I'll zoom in a little bit. So if you've got this sort of orangish color to it, tinge to it, so that's the Leica lens. And if it's just like white like that, it's just the normal lens, and it'll say Leica everywhere as well. So that's basically it. So power, autofocus, manual focus. So a beautiful little lens over here. The story that I've heard is a few things online. So the Leica, LUMIX Leica, so the Panasonic Leica, the lenses are made in Germany and they're shipped over to Japan, and Panasonic takes over the rest and assembles them. But that's not quite true. I've reached out and found out that they're called Leica because they are built to Leica's specification of the lens to get that sort of vivid coloring to it and this or whatever. So that's what it is for. It's not built by Leica at all. So that wouldn't make sense, because I'd be going, well, why is it cheaper then? You know, because these lenses are obviously more expensive than the other lenses, but it's cheaper than the Leica ones, so it doesn't make sense as to why they would be cheaper. All right, so that's the lens over here. Look at that. All right guys, drop me a comment as to what you think about where did the Leica lens come from. Did my research help you out into finding out where it came from? And also let me know, did I make the right choice by getting these lenses over the normal ones? Thank you so much for watching it to the end. Take good care. Bye bye.